You've tightened the battery terminals as hard as you can, but the car's still dead. The problem isn't how tight the clamp is. It's what it's touching. A no-crank right after a battery swap is almost never the new battery. It's a bad connection. Think of it like a clogged pipe. A little power can trickle through for your dash lights. But when the starter demands a huge surge, the clog blocks it completely. That high-resistance connection is stopping the hundreds of amps your starter needs. So before you blame that new battery, check the other end of the negative cable. Find where that thick black wire bolts directly to the car's frame or the engine block. That's the main ground connection. All the power in your car flows back to the battery through that one single point. It's easy to bump loose when you're swapping a battery. Put a wrench on it. If that bolt moves at all, that's your problem. Disconnect it. Use a wire brush to clean the metal on the cable end. And the frame until they're shiny, and then tighten it down securely. If that ground is solid, go back to the battery. Your terminal clamp can be torqued down tight, but still be sitting on an invisible film of corrosion. It's like putting a piece of tape between two magnets. They're close, but the connection isn't happening. Disconnect the terminals. Get a dedicated battery post-cleaning tool or just a stiff wire brush. You need to scrub the inside of the clamps, the battery posts, until you see fresh, dull, scraped metal on both. Now, here's how you prove the connection is good. Stop guessing. A multimeter will give you a yes or no answer in 5 seconds. With a voltage drop test, with the clamps reconnected, put 1 meter lead on the battery post itself and the other lead on the terminal clamp right next to it. Have someone try to start the car. If your meter reads more than 0.2 volts while cranking, that connection is bad. The power isn't getting from the post to the clamp. Clean it again. If you've checked the ground, cleaned the posts, and the voltage drop test is good, it means your chain of connection is perfect. So why is the battery dead? Because it isn't being refilled. Your old battery died because the alternator wasn't charging it, and the car simply ran on the new battery's reserve power until it was drained too. To confirm, get a jump start. Once the engine is running, disconnect the jumper cables and check the voltage at the battery terminals. You must see over 13.5 volts. If it stays in the 12-volt range, the alternator is bad. With the engine on, the alternator should be doing all the work. Ignoring these connection checks is how you end up replacing a perfectly good starter or a brand new battery. The fix is often just a loose bolt and 5 minutes with a brush.